Where are the gulab jamuns? Let's see.
गुलाब जामुन सब
Oh my
है
God.
मैडम के लिए 10 गुलाब जामुन
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
आज कोई डाइटिंग
एक.
नहीं है
एक ये वाला. Should we try the same?
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah,
It's
थोड़ा
yum.
सा. Even the kaju katli is really nice.
You want to try that? Yes. Kaju Katri is getting inspired by curly tails. वाओ अपने बचपन की गलियां घूमने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा स्पेशल है क्योंकि मैं आप सबको अपनी बचपन की गलियां दिखाने वाली हूँ
है ना? मेरे लिए भी चेंबूर बहुत ही स्पेशल है.
ओह माय गॉड Now we all know the Shetty sisters were raised in Chembur और आज के तेरे गली में एपिसोड में शमिता are you going to take me to some of your best
Of
and favorite
course.
places?
मैं इस लेन में रहती थी. मेरे घर के बाहर I mean you could see the church directly
Okay.
and every evening we could hear the mass.
Right.
बहुत ही क्वाइट लेन हुआ करता था. अभी पूरा चेंज हो गया है यहाँ पे. हर शाम को मैं यहाँ पे चर्च आती थी एंड बैठती थी because it was just so peaceful.
The intent of the show is walking down the memory lane and that's exactly what we want to do. तो मैं खुद भी चेंबूर से ही हूँ. But I'm gonna see Chembur through your
my
eyes.
eyes. Yes.
So let's go begin. Come on, church से शुरू करते हैं. Wow, this is such a beautiful
It's a
church.
beautiful church.
I think it's also one of the iconic landmarks of Chembur, the OLPS church.
Yeah, absolutely. Unfortunately, it's shut.
It's
I would have
shut right
loved to
now.
go inside once more.
Yeah. So Shamita, you're coming to Chembur after how long?
I've passed Chembur and stuff.
Yeah.
But I think I'm coming here after what 25 years. If you notice now, there's just so much noise everywhere.
I think that's with all of Mumbai.
As human beings, I say. Every place has some memory, tied to it. Like there's a little nursery here.
Yeah.
That place is still there. In this lane, there used to be this person who used to make the most amazing, yummy chocolate cakes. It's become a building now. It used to be one Chotu bungalow.
Yeah.
And I don't know where that person is. I would have loved to buy one of his cakes again. Shilpa and I till date talk about those cakes.
Really?
Yeah.
During Christmas.
It's
to be
beautiful. Oh my
I think
God.
a lot of Christians and Catholics.
Carols, yeah. They used to go around in groups
Yeah.
singing carols, and they used to sell Easter eggs there as well.
Yeah. Beautifully decorated
Beautiful.
homes.
Yeah. Absolutely. The
Shilpa
chicken.
mentioned about the butter chicken.
Yeah, the Grand Central,
Yeah.
Central butter chicken, that used to be her favorite. And the Rumali roti and all of that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very
That was a
excited.
Shetty.
देखेंगे सारा कुछ.
Of course.
सबसे पहले आपका
चलो.
स्कूल देखना है.
Chalo.
Let's go.
Chalo, come on.
So this is your school.
This is my school. Coming here after so long.
That all the girls here used to have a crush on all the boys from OLPS.
And
right
the other
next
way
to it.
around.
And the other way around. So you and Shilpa used to be in the same school, right?
Yes.
तो आपके दो प्रिंसिपल, एक स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल और एक घर के प्रिंसिपल, right?
My sister used to, she was one of those cool kids who I think never wanted to associate with me.
Really? I can
Yeah.
relate to that. सब
Oh
छोटी बहनों
God,
के
I
साथ
tell
ऐसा
you,
होता है.
yeah. But I mean, she was always with her group of people, and I was with my group of friends.
Yeah.
Very, very different.
That's the OLPS school, right?
That's the OLPS school, yes.
तो आप बोल रहे हो ये दीवार पहले छोटी हुआ करती थी.
Yes.
और यहाँ
And
से आप
हमारे जो
जंप
प्रिंसिपल नहीं, हम लोग नहीं, जो लड़के थे वहाँ पे वो फुटबॉल खेल के बॉल यहाँ पे फेंकते थे.
अच्छा
एंड हमारे जो प्रिंसिपल थे उस वक्त बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, सो शी हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू मेक दिस टॉलर. यस, अदरवाइज इट वाज वेरी इजी टू लुक इनटू द बॉयज.
but I'm sure the boys have found another ways
I'm
to
sure.
interact with the girls. Yeah.
I used to come here and play my volleyball. I was heavily into sports. I was an athlete.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, and I played volleyball as well. Good God, there used to be a stage here. A lot has changed. And guess what? The school is actually completing 90 years tomorrow. And that's why this stage has been put up here, because they're having a huge function. So I remember on Valentine's Day, there was this guy from OLPS who actually waited for me below my building, and he made this tile and painted some stuff on it with the I love yous and everything. And I was so awkward. I didn't know what to do with it. I just like threw it in front of him.
Oh my God,
And
so
today when I think
mean.
of it, I'm like, oh God, what a mean thing to do.
Yeah.
But like I said, you know, I didn't know how to be with boys.
Yeah, I think
But-
that's the problem now.
Yeah, but honestly, I think co-ed schools are better.
yeah,
you
would
know,
you say that today?
I think so, because when I went into college and I was exposed to, you know, boys, finally, then I had only guy friends. You know what I mean? I
Yeah.
barely had 1-2 girlfriends. And I was also honestly a tomboy.
Okay.
So, I guess I kind of got along with boys better.
Acha, are you still in touch with some of your old friends from Chembur or not as much?
No, yeah, not really. I wish I was. Everybody's so busy in their respective lives, to be
Yeah.
honest. All married with children.
Yeah.
I think I'm the only one who's still single. Oh gosh.
Wow, you know, just passing by through these lanes of Chembur station brings back so many memories. और अगर आप OLPS या St. Anthony School से हैं, comment right now about your favorite memory from the school. As of now, I am going to enjoy pav bhaji from Sadhguru's. यहाँ पे जो बटर की खुशबू आती है ना, इससे बहुत सारी बचपन की यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं.
Hi guys, this is not embarrassing at all, huh? With so many people around.
So how often would you come to Sadhguru to
Oh my
eat
God,
pav
very
bhaji?
often. Very often. But ज़्यादातर आई थिंक अंदर आके हम लोग खाते नहीं थे, हम लोग गाड़ी में मंगा के खाते थे.
हाँ,
Yeah.
वो trend
Especially
अभी भी है.
evening. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But because honestly जगह भी नहीं मिलती थी. अभी इतना बड़ा बन गया है, but at
Yeah.
that time it was very small. It
Yeah.
was just one small little place down.
Yeah.
Now I'm shocked. It's the first time I'm coming to like the first floor with
And
AC and everything.
And this is just one of the outlets, and now they have many more.
Oh really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In Chembur only?
In Chembur only.
अरे अंधेरे में क्यों नहीं खोलते हैं? अंधेरे में भी खोलो ना ये.
पता है बेस्ट पार्ट क्या होता है, जो पीसेस डालते हैं ना,
Oh my God, it is yum. वो ऊपर से जो pieces डालते हैं ना.
पीसेस डालते
जैसे-
हैं, वो यम होता है. This is Sadhguru सीताफल मिल्क शेक, और इसमें मुझे पीसेस दिख रहे हैं.
Oh my
बड़े सारे.
God, this used to be my favorite.
Wow, this is really good. मतलब स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क शेक तो आप खाते रहते हैं, बट ये सीताफल मिल्क शेक टू गुड. अब ये जब आप तीखा मसाला पाव खाएंगे, उसके बाद ये सीताफल मिल्क शेक और भी अच्छा लगेगा.
Oh my God. नहीं, मुझे बस ये लेना है.
Time to have some pav bhaji. पाव कितने खा सकते थे आप कभी?
4?
4 and 1 bhaji full.
हाँ.
What's your diet like now? What?
I like the way your next question was, what's your diet now? पहले ये सब खाते थे.
अब क्या?
अब तो my God, मैं ये नहीं खा सकती हूँ.
अब देख भी नहीं सकते.
नहीं, अब मेरे जो ट्रेनर्स है एंड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है, they're very very strict. I actually weigh my food and have it. And I'm a complete foodie, yeah.
Yeah.
So
okay.
it's so irritating for me.
हाँ.
But I've noticed that actually makes a difference.
You don't allow yourself only to eat या आपको
I
अभी
don't-
अच्छा ही नहीं लगता?
The thing is that my body, मेरी जो body है, it's gotten used to very different kind of food now. I think over the years थोड़ा सा intolerance हो गया है मेरा. As per the changes in the body, उस हिसाब से मुझे मेरा diet भी change करना पड़ा.
Yeah.
And of course अच्छा भी दिखना है.
That's
उस हिसाब
what
से
I
हम
wanted to
लोग
know.
workout भी करते हैं.
कि what do Shetty sisters eat to look the way you all look, man? मतलब क्या खाते हो
नॉर्मल
ऐसा?
खाना खाते हैं. There's nothing fancy. I love my घर का चिकन करी, रोटी, राइस. साउथ इंडियंस ज़्यादातर बहुत राइस खाते हैं. I think I follow that. मैं wheat touch नहीं करती हूँ. Maybe because of that as well. Other than that, बस once a week थोड़ा binging allow करते हैं trainers.
हाँ. And when you go
But-
binging, what is binging for
maybe
you?
मेरे लिए एक binge day नहीं है, एक binge meal है.
अच्छा.
दिन में.
अब वो
तो-
क्या होता है उस binge meal में?
वो मेरे ऊपर होता है. I can eat like a pizza.
Hmm.
like a Domino's pizza or something, पूरा thin crust. जैसे मैंने कहा gluten में थोड़ा सा once a week allow करती हूँ. या तो एक pastry.
Tell me which college did you go to? What did you study?
I first went to Sydenham because I think for me I've always been more of a creative mind. You know? मैंने कहा बाबा और नहीं होता मेरे से. I need to do like something with fashion, clothes, or you know something creative. I went to SNDT, so I got a diploma in fashion design there.
Okay.
एंड फिर मैंने एक इंटर्नशिप किया मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ. उसके बाद आई गॉट इनटू फिल्म्स. आफ्टर आई बिकेम एन एक्टर मैंने एक्चुअली नाइट क्लब के लिए इंटीरियर्स किया था. एंड आई एंजॉयड इट सो मच. आई थॉट यू नो लेट्स स्टडी द सब्जेक्ट, द टेक्निकल पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो आई वेंट टू लंडन 6 months. I studied there interiors. Came back, I worked with someone for a year. I went to office, I remember, after becoming an actor and
This is
doing
after
films.
becoming an actor?
yeah, and doing film. I worked with an architect
Oh.
for about a year. Then I started my own business. Then I did 1-2 projects and I got back into the film industry. So every time I went back out of the film industry, something would just come back and pull me back in.
Yeah. So what did you enjoy the most amidst fashion designing, interior, doing a corporate
acting.
job, acting?
I love being in front of the camera,
Okay.
performing characters. That's my high.
So when you went to your fashion designing college to Sydenham from Chembur, कैसे travel करते थे आप इतना दूर?
मैं
Sydenham
चेंबूर
में
से
commerce किया आपने
Yeah,
and then
I used to go by train. Yeah, the train station next to Sadhguru. मैं train से जाती थी all the way to town. That was also more convenient.
Yeah.
SNDT, I used to drive and go because by then Dad had gifted me a Zen. blue
Was
Zen.
that your first car?
Yeah,
Zen.
a Zen.
Okay.
Then I used to drive and go. But otherwise, I used to commute via train.
अभी drive करते हो?
I almost fell out of a train also once, I remember.
Really?
Baba, there were so many people in. Have you ever travelled by local train?
I have.
Yeah.
Yes. So what happened? Then share that experience. मतलब आप expert हो गए थे local train to get in and out. That's the most challenging part.
You can never become an expert. Oh, Baba, it's a different kind of pushing and pulling.
Yeah.
It's scary. And I can't push and pull. It मेरे से नहीं होता. I've been pushed several times. Like I said, that's why I was almost pushed out of the train. My friend actually caught me, you know.
My
But
God.
yeah, I got saved.
Tell me your acting career. You were talking about that. So पहली movie कैसे हुई आपकी? You were interning with Manish Malhotra.
So I was interning with Manish Malhotra. They used to call me a calamity queen because I was this person who was constantly falling, dropping things. I enjoyed my internship with Manish, but Manish used to always tell me, you know what, you're in the wrong profession. You need to be an actor.
Yeah.
And it was because of him that I got into the film industry because he introduced me to Adi. And Adi at that time was casting for Mohabbatein.
Mohabbatein.
And I auditioned. I did a few auditions and I was selected. And that's how I just came in.
But Shilpa was already an actor by
Yeah.
then, है ना?
Yeah.
तो आप उनसे हमेशा एडवाइस लिया करते थे कि what do I do or how should I go about it and how is she as a sister? Is she very protective of you or what?
It has always been very protective. I think likewise, both of us are protective of each other. उस वक्त I would always, जो भी आता था, any offer that would come in, I would always ask her first. I would always ask her how to go about things first. शिल्पा के लिए थोड़ा सा difficult था उस वक्त because my
Yeah.
granny was against it.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, but she kind of paved the way for me, made things a little easier for me. Things kind of changed a lot once she became an actor. At that time, मैं school में थी. People's approach towards me only changed,
Yeah.
and I kind of noticed that.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
They were nicer to you?
yeah.
Oh.
They were nicer to me.
You were still in school when
I was
she...
in school.
At
Yeah.
Anthony's only, okay.
Yeah.
और आप दोनों कभी लड़ाई करते थे?
Of course, a lot. Yeah,
WWF?
Yeah, yeah. Full
Pulling
on.
each
Hit
other's
with
hair.
sticks. Hit with sticks. I have this cut on my face. That was Shilpa.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. She got upset and she cut me here. But I also
Oh.
threw something on her.
Oh my god.
But मेरा mark बन गया permanent यहाँ पे.
I know.
So-
Girl fights can be very
Oh
violent
yeah, yeah.
too.
She was a typical big sister bullying me.
Yeah.
Now things have changed.
पेरेंट्स से ज्यादा डांट किसको पड़ती थी? आपको?
दोनों को.
अच्छा दोनों को ही. Okay.
Yeah. I think I was always daddy's little girl. डैडी के पीछे जाके छुप जाती थी.
But you know, I have an elder sister, and I remember the time when she got married. And I mean, all this while I was very happy that Acha now she's going. And,
It's
you know, I'll
horrible
have-
when they go, no?
But it's horrible when they get
Oh my
married.
God, yeah,
you know,
yeah,
I just the kind of emotions I went through,
Yeah.
and I missed her so much.
Yeah.
I want to know what happened to you when she got married. And were you living together before she got married, or what?
Yes, of course. We
Yeah.
were. Well, the thing is that if you realize with Shilpa, she has a very hearty laugh, very loud laugh. And
Yeah,
that is the
met
one
her.
thing that I knew she was home
Yeah.
when I would just hear her laughing somewhere, you know. And everything became so quiet when she left.
Yeah.
Our rooms were, you know, next to each other's with a common door in
Yeah.
the middle. So it was horrible when she left because everything just became so quiet. And I remember I would just sit and cry for hours when she was not around. I missed her so much. It takes a lot of getting used to.
Yeah. We're coming to Chembur after really long, and clearly you love Chembur. तो मैं अब देखने वाली हूँ आपको चेंबूर के बारे में कितना कुछ पता है. We are going to play a
Listen,
fun
I have a
game.
very bad memory problem. Yeah.
So the game is called Gali Gali Mein. Okay, let's play. Name 3 gardens of Chembur. Simple. है.
Diamond Garden. What are the other gardens? Shit. Are there other gardens?
There are, of course. There's so many gardens in Chembur. Chembur
Really?
वाले देख रहे हैं ये.
But I used to only
Guys,
go to Diamond Garden.
Comment.
No, I used to only go to Diamond Garden with my father. He used to go evening walks.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
It's
What
very
are the
nice
garden?
Ambedkar Garden.
That's father.
It's here. Sadhguru के पास ही.
और
Sando Garden.
Listen, I don't know Sando Garden. ये कहाँ है?
अच्छा ये भी है यही पर अभी दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको ड्राइव पर लेके
ठीक
जाती
है.
हूँ. अच्छा RCF. You know RCF, right?
Yeah.
उसके
RCF
अंदर-
colony.
RCF colony. उसके
हाँ.
अंदर कितने सारे गार्डन.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay. Why is Chembur Camp called Chembur Camp?
I don't know why it's called Chembur Camp. Yeah, it's a good question. I never asked this question. All I know is you get really famous paya there.
Yes. I
Yeah.
thought you only knew about Jama and Gulab
You
Jamun,
ask
but
me
paya.
things about food. You know, that's different.
So
don't
Chembur
know
Camp,
actually, why?
you know, it used to be a refuge camp.
Oh.
So a lot of people from Pakistan, like at least from Sindh and Punjab, they came from there and settled in Chembur.
Okay.
And that whole neighborhood Chembur Camp used to be a refugee camp.
Oh.
So that's how it got the name Chembur Camp.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
which is why you see a huge, a big community of you would have heard of Sindhi breakfast that you get there,
Yes,
dal
yes,
pakwan
yes,
and all of
yes.
that. Yeah. How many outlets of Sadhguru are there in Chembur?
In Chembur.
In Chembur.
2.
Yeah, I also
He
know
said
of two.
12 or something. Now,
Now 5. Okay, we were only
listen,
updated.
I just
till
want you
2.
to know, at my time there was just 1. Yeah. Yeah.
Fair
And
enough.
no first floor also.
Acha, you've been enjoying this Sitafal milkshake. Kya
Yes.
price?
Don't
होता
ask
है
me
इसका?
how many calories.
No. I'll ask you the price of it.
That
Yes,
time
sir.
it was 30 something. How much is it now? This must be, wait, 200 and something. How much is it?
250.
And मेरे time पे 80?
Inflation.
See?
35, 36 से 250 rupees.
Yeah.
और पाव भाजी का क्या प्राइस है अभी? 2
239.
239. Okay, what are the 4 houses that Anthony's had?
Red, blue, green, gold.
Which one was yours?
Red.
Okay. Which is a neighborhood where you can find the most popular street food joints in Chembur.
Sindhi camp, no?
Yeah,
It's got a lot.
A lot,
in there.
a lot.
Yeah.
Like the
and
whole
the paya
street.
soup is really,
yeah.
really famous.
Yeah,
Used to be at least.
You used to have the paya soup also.
At that time, I could eat mutton. Now I can't.
My God.
Yeah.
A lot of things have been cut out from your
Yeah.
menu.
Yeah.
But one thing is not cut out, which is gulab jamun. So,
That's also cut out, but
अच्छा आज cheat
अभी
day
ये
है.
already लिया है तो
तो चलो
Might
let's
as
go
well.
to Jama now and enjoy
Thank
some
you.
gulab jamun. यहाँ चेंबूर स्टेशन में आप शॉपिंग करने आते थे?
of course
क्या क्या शॉपिंग करते थे?
clothes, shoes, सब कुछ.
अच्छा
At that time कुछ ज़्यादा exposure भी नहीं था यार. It was only this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So we discussed how you got into acting. I want to know how was the Big Boss experience?
Oh, it was so lovely. Oh God, मुझे पता नहीं what possessed me to go into that house 3 times, but बहुत ही difficult experience है.
I can imagine.
It's
yeah.
not an easy place to be in. आप completely vulnerable हो जाते हो. You're completely exposed. You can't. मेरे लिए in any case, I am somebody who is muffat. I can't pretend. I can't show emotions that I actually don't feel. So for me, and especially when you're with people who वहाँ पे ऐसे लोग भी आते हैं जो इफेक्ट के लिए चीज़ें करते हैं. They just want to be seen. It's only about TRPs for them. There's no right or wrong.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही अलग दुनिया थी. When I came out, I was feeling things that I could not understand why I was feeling. I would just want to cry, want to shout. I came back very angry. I had to really work on my temper when I came out.
Really?
Yeah, because what happens is in that house, you're constantly defending yourself. And I was constantly attacked in the house from, I mean, several people constantly attacked me in the house. Every new person who came into the house was attacking me. So I felt like I constantly had my armor out and my sword out. So, you know, when I came out of the house, it becomes a habit, you know.
Of defending yourself, protecting yourself.
Firstly, it takes 21 days to form a habit. I was in that house almost 6 months of the year.
Yeah.
So I was constantly in defend mode and attack mode, you know. Now I've become obviously much better.
Yeah.
But luckily I've had good people around me to highlight certain things to me, help me with my healing process, and yeah.
You also found your love in the show, but and you continue to stay friends with him. So how have things evolved over a period of time with Rakesh?
There's some chapters that are closed and best left closed and not spoken about.
Okay. By the way, that's Diamond Garden.
Of course I remember.
Yeah.
I used to go for a walk with Dad.
Oh, acha, every evening.
Yeah. Dad was very particular about his walks.
And ये यहाँ पे golf course भी है Chembur
Yes,
में,
I remember
which is
that.
very very
I remember that.
famous.
Yes. I remember.
People from all over Mumbai come here. and play.
Yes.
It's a beautiful golf
Yeah,
course. Ever
it
had a
is.
chance to go in?
Of course I have. Yeah.
You have?
Yeah,
Okay. But you need like an exclusive membership.
Membership.
in it.
I used to know
Okay.
members.
Nice. There's also a Chembur Gym Khana.
Yes.
Sindhi Society
Sindhi
Gym
Society. Yes.
Khana. So here we are in the Chembur camp. Again, a bustling neighborhood of
My
Chembur.
God, yeah. Where are the gulab jamuns? Let's see.
Gulab jamuns are there. Here. मैडम के लिए 10 गुलाब जामुन.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
आज कोई डाइटिंग
एक.
नहीं है.
एक ये वाला. Weird, no?
It's a secret
It has,
recipe.
yeah.
They won't share it.
It's like a
but
distinct
but the size
taste.
of the gulab jamun, has it reduced from the times
I
You
feel
used
like
to
it
come.
has.
It has? Okay.
Or maybe I was just smaller and it looked bigger to me.
Possibly.
No?
Mm. Yum. I like how you're enjoying this gulab jamun. So I've put my Q&A on hold while you enjoy this.
Yeah, let me eat in peace.
Tell me about films. What's happening there, or any upcoming projects that you would like to talk about?
I do actually have a film that's releasing.
Nice.
It's called The Tenant.
Okay.
But I want the promo to be out first. The official announcement to be made. I don't want to talk too much about it, but it's going to release.
Is
It's
it
going to
going
release now.
It's going to have a theatrical release or OTT?
Theatrical.
Theatrical.
Then OTT.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Should we try to save the
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah,
It's
thoda
yum.
sa. We
Yeah.
should, na?
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
not? Nahi, this is different from before.
Yeah, this is also changed.
Yeah.
This is Sev Barfi urf singer ki mithai.
Even the kaju katli is really nice.
You want to try that? Yes. Kaju katli. I like this. It's getting inspired by curly tails.
How much I'm going to curse you all, not tomorrow. Only I know.
No, do some extra weights tomorrow. But I feel like I have brought you to a candy shop. And quite literally, yeah. How is it? Okay.
This used to be my favorite as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so good, yeah.
Savita, it's been wonderful talking to you. Enjoying
It's been
pav
really,
bhaji,
really fun.
enjoying this gulab jamun, and I would leave you in this sweet shop where you just feast through your eyes.
Please don't leave me here. Take me with you.
We'll take out some sweets with us now. Come on.
To your house?
To your house.
Not mine. I shall help you select if you want.
Okay. You look very excited though.
At least somebody else can eat, no?
Yeah.
If I really crave something,
Yeah.
I will eat it, to be very honest.
Yeah.
That once a week, I will eat it. But I'll make it a point to go to the gym and work out because it's important to keep yourself healthy,
Absolutely.
fit, you know? Your body, your organs, they need it. So stop being lazy. If you want to eat, get your ass to the gym. And yeah.
Yeah. आज जिम तो जाना ही है तो एक गुलाब
मेरा
जामुन
तो
पूरा ही
चला
खा
गया
लेते हैं.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Thank you so much, Amita. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for taking me around.
Thank you so much. It was fun.
Yeah.